This is a review of the budget USB microphone from Rockville. It's their mic that's under $25. I got this one on eBay, but it's also for sale on Amazon. Thought I would buy this mic and give it a try to see how it performed. Let's unbox it, set it up, and give it a try. This is the box that it came in. Has a nice little stand with some rubber feet. Instructions and setup guide. Attach the stand to the microphone. Just about ready to go. Check out the knob and the mute button. Try to put on the phone windscreen, which was a little bit of a challenge without ripping it, but we finally got it attached. Now I'm going to take it over and plug it into our Windows 10 PC and give it a shot. So here we go, we plug it into the PC and we'll see if it's plug and play. Windows detects it, sets up the device, and I think we're about ready to go. So if we click on the little microphone icon and go to sound, we can do a quick setup. We go to the recording tab, click on that, click on the microphone, click configure. Then we can say set up a microphone. We choose a desktop mic, hit next, read the sentence that it gives us. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Click next and finished, and we're all set to go. And I've been using this mic to record this with. Here's the summary: that it's very affordable. The mute and gain volume controls are nice. The sound quality is good. It's directional, so if I talk from the side of this microphone, you can't hear as well, so you'll need to talk directly into the microphone, which has its pros and its cons depending on what you're trying to accomplish or eliminate ambient room noise. It's for the general public, it's not for professionals, but it may be just the thing you're looking for. Thanks for watching.